Comparing the specs of a 2025 device with a 2014 device is weird, but that's exactly what I'm going to be doing in this video. I'll be comparing the specs of the Unihertz Titan 2 with that of the BlackBerry Passport. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So without further ado, let's just compare the specs of both devices. So there you have it, guys. It's just a specs comparison video, nothing special, nothing much. But anyways, which do you think is best in your opinion? Feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.